Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch your Twitter profile to social media influencer on PC. Let's walk through the steps to give your profile that influential touch. To begin, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile settings, where you can make the desired changes. Next, find the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to access the profile editing options. Scroll down and click on Edit Professional Profile to access more detailed profile settings. Now, click on Category to specify the type of profile you wish to have. Search for Social Media Influencer and select it to align your profile with this category. Once you've chosen Social Media Influencer, remember to click on Save to apply the changes to your Twitter profile. Congratulations! You have successfully switched your Twitter profile to Social Media Influencer on PC. Your profile now reflects your influence in the social media realm. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your online presence. Happy tweeting!